Bran Muffin told me today that when I get tired, my hair gets poofier. My puff levels are very high. This seems to be a recurring theme. Also, there is a river in my kitchen! What? I am awesome! I feel as if we should have a day where we all vlog just by making funny faces. River is watching me and looking like this. Hi! Now,
We've got the monkeys. We've got the monkeys.
what if we had a day where we just talked in funny noises like how are you? I'm doing well. I'm real mature. I hope none of my colleges see this because that would be bad. Ew. Lovely. Okay, I'm really bored and I'm not quite sure what to do. And I've been talking for approximately 3 minutes and 42 seconds. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So, the good news is I got into 2 colleges. 2 of them. 2. Not 4. 2. Although, I'm 4. Not 4 years old, but my name is, well, not actually my name, but, okay.
You're freaking funny.
Thank you!
You're welcome!
I don't know if I'll be going to either of them, but if I do, I will let you know with suggestive eyebrow raises. I take your sexual innuendo and I raise you an eyebrow. River is just still watching me. It's really unfortunate. And I can't really deal with it very well. This room is better to record in my room, though. I found that if you record in my room, it makes this really awful squeaky noise, which you probably noticed in my last video when I was going right now I'm sort of pink. It turns back to blue when I get farther away from the camera. I think it's like blue shift, red shift. But it doesn't really make sense, because then it should be, like, when I get farther away, I turn more pink. Rudolph the red shift reindeer.